What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Dro, and I'm back with another video. As you guys can see, I'm gonna change up my channel a little bit more. I'm gonna do more shoes and clothing videos. And yes, I cut my hair. Yes, I had to cut my hair, but I like it though. You know, it's clean. You know, what can I say? But anyway, back to this video, and the title says the most slept on Nike Air Max. I mean, I think it's the most slept on shoe in 2019, to be honest, because it's really different. But it is the Nike Air Max 97. It was dropped November 19, 2018, I believe so. I believe so, but it was dropped. The shoe was originally dropped November 19, 2018. But this, I believe, this type of edition was dropped last month or 2 months ago. Yeah, last month or 2 months ago. And I think people have been sleeping on them, but I don't think they have it at the store anymore. You might have to buy it online, like StockX or Go, I think. Yeah, I haven't seen them at the store anymore, but I'm really glad I got them shoes. But as for further ado, let's get into the video. I talk too much. Let's see them shoes. Alright, these are the shoes that I'm talking about. These are the Nike Air Max 97 Blue Hero. Look, the only difference they have from the other Nike Air Max that has been dropped last year is that right here where it says Nike, it's just a Nike swoosh from the other Nike Air Max 97. And I think they have black and gold in this colorway. Yeah, black and yellow in this colorway. And the only difference it says Nike right here to the right side and to the left side. So that's pretty much it. And they have a red line going in the middle of it. I'm saying Nike Air Max, but like not really. Like it's just saying like Air Max basically, because like it's kind of cut off a little bit. So Air Max, I guess. And that's pretty much it. Inside it says Sportwear Nike. I don't know if you guys can see it. Sportwear Nike. And I don't really wear them shoes a lot. I only wear them for like a couple, 2-3 times. I think, yeah, 2 or 3 times. But right now, the reason why I'm talking about this, they're really slept on because these shoes I bought them for like 160, 168, I think 168 or like 170, 168, yeah, 170. But right now, right now on StockX, they're going for let me see, my shoe size, I think they're going for a pretty high, not that high price, but pretty high price. I'm gonna show you guys in a second. They're pretty going for a really high price. But give me a second, let me just look it up a little bit. Alright, so for my shoe size, it's going for like 200. So which is, I mean, like, what can I say? See, I'm gonna see. So I don't know if you guys can see it, but for my shoes, if my, like, hold up, my brightness kind of high, but it's going for 200. I don't know if you guys can see it. Can y'all see it? Yeah, it's going for 200. So focus, alright. Yeah, I think you guys can see it. It's going for $200, which is a steal because like the Yeezys that just dropped last week, the clay, like last week, now they go for like 400. So like, yeah, it was like the Yeezy 350 V2 clay. It was dropped last week, I believe so. Now they go for like 400 on StockX for my size. But it really depends, because like those type of shoes, you don't really wanna wait, because Yeezy's always being sold out the days it dropped. And I mean, I like the color of the Nike Air Max because right now they're probably gonna go for like 250 or 300. Who knows? But I don't know if they still have them in the store. I don't think they have it in the store because that was the last shoe of my size that I got. I think it was a Finish Line, yeah. But right now I'm really waiting for the 350 Yeezy that's dropping next month. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I don't think they have released the date when it's dropping, but when they release the date, I'm gonna drop a video on that. Like I say, these shoes are really comfortable, but if you have the money, I'll say cop you a pair, man. And they're it's a really nice colorway. You can wear. I like it's like a little, I don't know, I just like it, you know what I'm saying? It's a really nice colorway. Like I said, I only wear like 3 times, only 3 times, I think, because you see the bottom, they're not really that dirty. Only 3 times, yeah, only 3 times. But that's pretty much it. Like, these shoes are really comfortable, and I wouldn't be surprised if they go for 300 in the next month or 2, so whatever. But like I said, I'm planning to get, I low-key might try to get the Yeezy 350 V2 Clay, because these shoes are really nice on feet, and I really regret not buying them shoes because I had the money. I just didn't know if I would like it on my feet. But I really regret not buying them because they go for like 350 right now or 400, but at the store it was like 220. So it's a really big price difference. Anyway, I talk too much. Now let's go see these shoes on feet, and I'll probably do the video for you guys. All right, let's go. If you guys enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe, and if you guys have the money for this shoe, I really recommend getting these shoes. I doubt it's gonna be, I don't know, it's probably gonna be worth more in less than 3 months or 2. But if you guys enjoyed the video, leave a like, subscribe, share it for more videos like this, and stay positive, be humble, chase your dream. Also, live your life to the fullest, man. You know, that's pretty much it. You know, and be a better person each day. You know, it's never too late to change. You know, but as you guys can see, this is the whole video. More to come, and that's pretty much it for the video. Don't forget to like it. You know, Nike Air Max 97. Peace.